baby factory marriage. What did I say? Many of our mommies are baby factory marriage. That is marriage mainly for the sake of having children. And all the love that the woman has is diverted to the children, not themselves. Just baby factory. And once the baby is not coming on time, there'll be a problem. Because the basis of the marriage is to have babies. Escape route marriage. Escape route. That is marriage that is based on you escaping from all the trouble in your family. All the very, very harsh parents. You just want something to get you away from the house where your father is a very harsh sergeant major. You just want to get out of the place. Get out. You don't want to stay there again. They wake up at 5 a.m. They say begin to sweep. You finish sweeping. They wake up again and say go and cook. You cook. After cooking they say go and fetch water. You fetch water. I'm tired of this kind of life. At 20 what? No, I must go. And anybody that comes say please just marry me out of here quick. I don't want to stay. So it's an escape route marriage. Plaster marriage. The plaster you use to treat wound. This is marriage for visa, marriage for citizenship. You know, it's something that is very interesting that happens at the prayer city. You know, a lot of people come from all over the world to prayer city for deliverance. Those foreign ladies who come, immediately some brothers notice that somebody is carrying about a British passport at prayer city. Or she has American passport at prayer city. Or it's European passport at prayer city. They become interested. Say, hello. You change your tonation from the Ekiti English to hello, how are you? God bless you. You want to marry because she has a passport, because you know if she's a citizen, you become a citizen. It's a plaster marriage. You may be surprised, and when you get there, they will deal with you terribly. I've seen it happen. Somebody from Mountain of Fire got a lady from that here, followed the lady. And when he got there, the lady said, well, I brought you here not to work. I brought you here not to do anything. The reason I brought you here is to serve me. So you must serve. Wake up in the morning, wash clothes, do this, do that, sleep with me, finish. I won't work. I said, you can't work. May you not do plaster marriage. And if you're already a plaster marriage, may the Lord deliver you. Say, powers! Dry up my oil of favor. Die! In the name of Jesus. Open your mouth, open your mouth, open your mouth, open your mouth.